Hi, Tony Selzo here with the line. We've brought back one of our favorite guests, Arc Document Solutions CMO Kerman Kasad. Has really some exciting updates on a new product that they've launched, and this verticalization, this positioning of really understanding how technology has got to go way beyond document storage, document management, and really evolve into how do I get business process optimization? How do I get optimization of the entire communication channel? How do I eliminate some of these mistakes that seem to have been accepted by our industry? And it's so pervasive in contracting and engineering. And you guys have really, with your Sky side, have really created something that is next gen, really gone beyond the way things were being used, Kerman. It's gone from a system of record to a system of engagement and a system of collaboration. How's this rollout been going? And tell us, in your words, what is this new technology going to do to disrupt the space?
Thank you so much, Tony, for a flattering introduction. I'm not a CMO, I'm a product marketing director and a communications director, but I like to be one.
Yeah.
So let me tell you a little about Skyside. Fundamentally, Skyside is going to address productivity and efficiency for AEC industry. So when we launched Skyside, we wanted to begin by targeting the most significant element of the project users. They are general contractors. Now, if you look at projects per se, how it is organized and communicated are through documents, while project management has plethora and vibrant products, but there does not exist a single product which focuses on document management. And what do I mean by that? So at this point in time, the users are working from a consumer and generic product. Clearly, they are not addressing the business requirement for the industry.
Right.
Skyside is an industry cloud solution addressing communication, real-time collaboration challenges for the industry, helping industry to become more productive and efficient.
Now, Kerman, I want to just Homer Simpson this a little bit because, the typical construction project right now has multiple different companies working together on the same project, coordinating efforts, coordinating time, materials, money. All these things have to come together, and they have plans that they're using to build whatever they're building, right? Whether it's a road or a building, a parking structure. And so all these separate entities have to be coordinated. And then in those entities, there's different people and positions that are being coordinated within that individual organization's job. All these people create variables all day, every day. And not only that, they have different ways of talking, different ways of communicating, different ways. Getting all those people on the same page has caused a lot of problems for a lot of years. Whether it's like having the wrong plans and somebody building the wrong thing, and then litigation ensues, and then it's no wonder that projects get done, or the bigger the project, the longer it takes. It's because of the amount of people that have to coordinate. You give a central hub, a central platform where everything can be updated and everybody can know about the update in real time, anywhere, all the time. That's the heartbeat of what you build, isn't it?
Absolutely. Tony, you mentioned about coordination. We say it as a real-time collaboration, and there lies a difference. As you, again, sometime back, you mentioned that projects are becoming multi-geographic projects in different countries, different time zones, and hence it is extremely important, and in fact it is necessary that every single person is working from the latest set of document. And how is that really possible? It is possible because the information is available 24/7 in a cloud which is dedicated for a particular industry. Now, as I also mentioned earlier, that Skyside is designed for the industry. And once we talk about it, then every single feature, which is designed in Skyside, it's like, single source of truth, information anytime, anywhere. As I said, document tracking that takes care of your litigations, make sure that projects are moving on time. The user interfaces are very simple. The features are industry oriented. Now, those are intricate details that comes across. Now, that hasn't happened overnight.
No.
If you look at the history of our document solution, we have decades of experience working with the industry. We have, in some form or other, worked with the industry for their document management.
Yeah.
And from 2010 onwards, that direction has changed, and it has been now more technology driven.
Well, I think you guys are a great example, and Skyside is a great example of, if you're going to win in the technology game, if you're going to win in the software game, you have to go to one end or the other. You can't be Dropbox with a couple of the features that you've been talking about. You have to become the total solution, focused on that platform, focused on that business process, understanding everything, all the nuances that it goes in to build that business. If you try to stay in the middle, you die, right? The very simple succeeds and the solution succeeds. And you guys have built a very robust solution that is entirely focused on a specific business process. And I think that's why you're winning. Is that fair?
It's absolutely correct. Now, as industry starts adopting technology and the cloud as technology and the segment starts maturing, fit doesn't work with everybody.
Right.
Industry is now demanding solutions which caters to their business process, that really helps them to become more efficient and more productive. Industry is not looking at a solution which is a hosting solution. The industry is not looking at a storage solution. Industry, as I mentioned, is looking at a real-time collaborative platform that really helps them simplify their business and work and become more productive. It helps them to have significant improvement in the way they work and the way they function.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. I think Arc, Kerman, I think what you're doing and what Arc Document Solution is doing such a good job is really is evolving to meet the user instead of trying to get the user to change the technology. And really, that is the big shift that I've seen in technology for the last 2 decades. It's going to happen. It's going to continue to happen. But in PS, you should be the CMO. I'm voting for the promotion.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words, though. Thank you, Tony.
Yeah, great show.